Yes, this is Shipra with my new DIY activity. Can you see this beautiful socks or stockings? Yes, as you know, Christmas is approaching, so I have made this stockings. Yes, but before I tell you how I have made it, let us do the yes. So here we go. Let's learn to fly high with Yellow Class DIY. And what all stuff do we need? We will be just requiring a thick sheet, white color sheet, a black color marker, red watercolor kids. Okay, red watercolor, water. I have even used my brush pens. If you want to use brush pen, you can use brush pen, or even this red color watercolor is also fine. And a thick brush. I will be using this oil pastel to draw my sheet. So this invisible lines will be visible. Earlier it will be invisible and then it will be visible. So let's see how. Just take care that you have to use the gray rose of your oil pastels. Don't take a dark one, take a light one oil pastels. And I would prefer this gray rose oil pastel only. So what we have to do, we just simply have to draw it. Draw very clearly, kids. Make two curves like this and close it. And we will be needing scissor also to cut it later on. Okay. And draw simple, very simple designs, but it should be clean and neat designs. Just simple designs, any designs you can make. I don't have any problem, however, but it should be very neat and little far off from each other. If you're making these stripes, take care that you have distance in between. However you want to decorate, you can decorate it. Just there should be dark, clean, visible design. Okay, so we have drawn our stockings. Very easy. Make a like a shoe, 11 and then a round, and any design, very simple design, but a clean, clear design. And then what you are going to do, take your red color and we have to just basically use very light shade of red color. So more of water and very less of red color to it. Okay. And even you can check it on the other side of the sheet. Yes, so you can see it's very light. I don't want dark red. I just want very light and just paint it randomly. So I have less water and more water and less color. and let it dry. So now it's completely dry, kids. I will be doing the outline first. Try and do the outline little far from your stockings so that you cut from there only. Just very little. So you can see your design is visible. We'll cut it later on. Okay. And now with your brush pens, you can just take any portion where you can darken it so that your lighter part is more visible. So what we have used is your oil pastel are also visible in this. See here. Yes. So those who don't have brush pens can use those thin brush also, the red color also, the watercolor. Okay. Or even sketch pen will go, kids. So a thick red sketch pen will also go. And just with your design, do a little here and there and your nice, beautiful stockings or socks are ready. And before I cut it, I will give you one more surprise. I have made this as my wish socks. So I have a loop here, okay, which says remote control car. Yes. So what you can do, I'm just going to quickly tell you that also. But before that, we cut it. We simply cut it on this black outline only. Very near to the oil pastel lining. And the surprises which I have kept from you also away, take another sheet and cut a thin size like this, almost equal to your stocking size. Okay, a white sheet you can take and cut a thin strip like this. And just apply, check, yes, it's fine. It should go inside your size of the socks. Just apply glue on 3 corners, kids. And stick it. And let it dry for a few minutes or few seconds. Till that time, what you can do, you can take your leftover white sheet or any colored sheet, or even you can take those index cards which are available at a stationery shop, which are easily available, beautifully colored, and you can cut it any ways and write your wish. So this time I want a Barbie doll. Okay. So a Barbie doll. And apply, take this loop, any simple thick strip, and stick it. Let it rest for a few seconds. And then you can just put it inside like this. So this will also show that you have some message or your wish list here, and anybody can take it. So you can keep it under your pillow or near your chimneys if you have, and enjoy your Christmas. Okay, kids, I hope this wish stockings you have liked it and you are going to make it and share pictures with us. So thank you for watching this video. I, Shipra, is going to come back again with more DIY activities. Till then, take care.